everyone. We're missing you all, and we're looking forward to see you very soon in our Chabad house in person. Meanwhile, I would love to share with you our simple, easy, and delicious cheesecake. I will welcome all the brave chefs around me to share with you the recipe.
Alright, so what you need for the base is either 150 grams of crushed biscuits, or you could just have a ready-made pie crust. You will also need 100 grams of melted butter.
And you'll also need 500 grams of soft cheese.
You need a half a cup of sugar.
You need 3 eggs.
You'll need lemon juice from half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of flour.
And 2 tablespoons of vanilla pudding or vanilla sugar. Okay, so let's start to bake.
Alright, so before we begin, you'll need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. You'll also need a round tin and baking parchment.
Yossi, ready? Yossi will pour the butter, the melted butter, inside the crushed biscuit.
Alright, now David and I will pour all the ingredients into the mixing bowl.
Take a bit more.
Just turn it over and with a spoon down this. After everything is poured in, then Zam's going to mix it with the mixer. When you're finished mixing, you'll have to place all of this into the tin by the base.
Now I'm pouring the biscuits into the bowl and tapping them down.
Cut the ceiling.
Now I'm pouring the filling on top of the base.
1 second, Yodi. You're just gonna make it. Yossi did an amazing job. You're just gonna little bit straighter. Okay. Yossi, give it next.
Again, so now we are pouring the filling on top of the base.
you've finished putting all the mixture by the base, it should be looking like this. You should put it into your oven, which should have already been at 180 degrees. You should leave it there for 10 minutes and then lower it down to 150 degrees. It should be in the oven for around 45 minutes and then take it out and then you have your cheesecake. Enjoy!